Hi guys, with another video. So today I'm gonna show you how you can put the seal on top of this thermostat. Very easy. You see that these sharp edges, and this is the seal. As you see inside, there is a groove, and you will put right there. The groove is gonna be right here. See, it should go inside. This metal needs to go this inside the groove. So let's go and put it right there. You can feel it. I mean, is it? Just press a little bit, and you can feel it that it's going in. Right. Just pull it a little bit. Right there, and just look around, adjust that, make sure that it's inside the groove, and you can feel it, just when you're pressing, and adjust the left and right or back and forth, and it goes the inside. Yeah, this is the way it is. It's not hard, but make sure before installing the thermostat. Very careful, okay? Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Alright, bye.